Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the Samsung Laundry MultiControl Kit for front-load washer and dryer combo. If you're tired of the long reach to control your dryer when your units are stacked, then this MultiControl Kit is the perfect solution for you. With the MultiControl Kit, you can now control your dryer right from your washer when the units are stacked, making the whole laundry process so much more convenient. The installation is super easy, and all the parts you need are included in the package. This kit is compatible with models that include MultiControl, such as WF50A8800AVUS, DV-50A8800VA3, DVG50A8800VA3, and many more. So if you want to eliminate the hassle of reaching for your dryer and operate it directly from your washer, then this MultiControl kit is a must-have. So what are you waiting for? Check the link in the description to get your hands on the Samsung Laundry MultiControl Kit today and make your laundry routine a whole lot easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.